All right, let's start at the beginning. So we're looking at speed, calculating speed. So average speed tells us how fast we're going by dividing the distance we travel by the time it takes to travel that distance. So your speed is your distance divided by time. Write that down, very important. The most common unit for speed is meters per second. That's the most common one you'll find. However, speeds of objects will vary. For example, the speed of a snail compared to a car will be very different, and therefore the different units may be more appropriate. The speed of a snail could be measured in millimeters per second, so that would be millimeters per second, whereas the speed of the car could be measured in kilometers per hour. If you get a question that says calculate the average speed of a dragster that covers 400 meters in 4.25 seconds in meters per second. All right, so we go. Our distance was 400. It's 4.25 seconds. And remember, speed is distance divided by time. So we go, there's your distance, which is 400. Your time, 4.25 seconds. You put that into your calculator, and you get 94.12 meters per second. And that's your answer. You make sure you write it with the unit like that. So if you go calculating the distance, the speed equation can be rearranged to make the distance the subject, allowing you to calculate the distance covered in the speed and the time of the journey. So if you're going to get distance, you multiply your speed by your time. Okay, write that one down as well. So a car travels at a constant speed of 60 kilometers for 1.5 hours. How far did the car travel in kilometers? Remember, we said we have to times them together. So the speed was 60 kilometers. Our time was 1.5. Distance is equal to speed times time. Multiply them together, you get 90 kilometers. That's how far the car travels. 30 kilometers in 1 hour, and therefore 30 kilometers in half an hour. Thus, it takes for 90 kilometers, it takes 1.5 hours. Calculating time, the speed equation can also be rearranged to make time the subject, allowing you to calculate the time taken to cover a given distance at a certain speed. So there you've got time is equal to your distance divided by your speed. So write that one down because you may need it as well.